How entrepreneurs in China and Tunisia turn challenges into opportunities. Hello everyone. Today we'll look at how entrepreneurs in China and Tunisia spot and act on opportunities in fast-changing markets. China is a powerhouse in manufacturing and digital commerce. Tunisia is one of North Africa's most agile startup hubs. Different contexts, same reality. Uncertainty is normal, and firms win by sensing what customers want, coordinating across borders, and smartly reshuffling resources when the environment shifts. Part 1. China. Discovery first, backed by smart reshuffling. In China, opportunity recognition is tightly connected to state priorities, big platforms, and global supply chains. Founders are great at sensing demand and reading signals from customers and competitors. Platforms like Alibaba, Temu, and Shein let a small factory in Zhejiang test a new product, read real-time feedback from Europe or North America, and scale the winning version in days. That's classic discovery. Find an existing gap and fill it fast. High-tech shows the reshuffle side. When the rules of the game change, Chinese firms reconfigure what they control. DeepSeek shows the flip side. Even with strong product traction, political frictions can slow or block rollout in some countries. Non-market risks matter. Part 2. Tunisia and African entrepreneurial mindset. Now let's shift to Tunisia and the African context. Tunisia's smaller, more fragmented market pushes founders toward creating new solutions rather than only chasing existing gaps. The country's startup support, like the Startup Act, helps early teams with funding and admin relief, which encourages experimentation. While the formal system is smaller, Tunisian founders are agile, spotting gaps where rules or infrastructure are thin. Fintech, renewable energy, and tourism tech turn those gaps into products. Across Africa, there's an obsession with expansion. Founders build for the continent, not just one city. In Tunisia, many young founders look north to Europe for sales and south to sub-Saharan Africa for growth. So, both ecosystems are opportunity labs. China is driven by industrial scale and alignment. Tunisia by flexibility and a transnational vision. In summary, discovery requires speed and execution, spotting unmet needs and scaling what works. Creation takes patience and experimentation, developing something new from limited resources. Doing both at once can stretch attention and funding, so many firms sequence them. First discover, then create, or create locally, then discover external markets. Cultural and political context also matter. Discovery can be harder in culturally distant markets where signals are easy to misread, while creation tends to rely less on prior cultural knowledge. Industry globalization. When standards and buyer practices are global, both paths travel better. In short, Chinese and Tunisian entrepreneurs are not opposites. They're reflections of how discovery and creation can coexist. Together, they remind us that in turbulent times, uncertainty doesn't just destroy, it reshapes. And those who sense early, adapt fast, and reconfigure wisely can turn even disruption into opportunity.